Hi, this is Emma with OrderMaxx, and today we're going to be taking a look at the FAQ Product Results token. This token allows you to add an unlimited number of related FAQs or support articles to your product page, which is a great way to help customers find specific information. The token system is special because it allows you to manage your web pages without using any code. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can drop this token into a page and then associate FAQ articles with the product. First, we're going to head through the admin dashboard to find our product manager under the store module. We need to drop this token directly into the product page, so we need to look under Modify Products. If we scroll down and click on the Support tab Details, you'll see our FAQ Product Results token located right here. Dropping this into the page is as simple as opening the Token Database menu and choosing it from the list. The token system automatically builds a framework into the page and then pulls data from the site to add information. This allows you to quickly change or update what the token displays without using any code. To add articles to our token, we're going to head back into our modules list and look into the FAQ admin. We're going to find an article relevant to our product. To assign this to a product, in this case the Part Selector module, you would choose it from this drop-down menu. So, once we save our settings, the token will automatically pick up this article and add it to the product page. Let's go ahead and see our changes. And here we are. After a process that only took a few minutes, we've successfully linked a support article to this page. And there's no limit to the number of articles you can add. As with all of our tokens, what you see can be further customized through the addition of your own style sheets. To learn more about this and our many other products, feel free to visit us online at OrderMaxx.com. Thank you for watching.